Hey, 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 this is Ross, the tie-dye traveling guy with Heather checking in 26507. We are at the Ventus at Marina El Cid. What do we got going on here? Ooh, that's strange. You got sink right there. Bathtub, shower, very nice, very nice. Ooh. Ooh, there's a little peephole right in there. Check that out.
Hey.
You got some lights on in here. Got the bedroom back here. All right. 1 bedroom suite at the Ventus at Marina El Cid. We got some robes in there. All right, shower. What do we got out here for a balcony? What do we got for a view? Step up so you don't bust your toes. Oh, hey. There we go. Not a bad view. Okay. Check that out, y'all. Ventus at Marina El Cid. Whoa. Whoa. Let me get over there. Holy cannoli. Let's go back in here. Ooh, we got some fruit. And some...
We didn't even check the refrigerator.
Cabernet Sauvignon. Sauvignon. Wow. Check that tub. Holy.
You have to sit side by side.
Yeah, there's room for a party in there. Wow.
Oh, there's the ocean view.
Well, yeah, for sure. We got a little bit of an ocean view. Got a pool view, ocean view. It's roasty toasty, y'all. Holy moly. 8 days, 7 nights. Today is Saturday, June 3rd, 2023. We just checked in. And yeah, it's time to get this party started. We got to check not just the tub, but we have to check.
Look what I found!
Is that the mini bar? What do we have in our mini bar?
Some
Tecate?
patty and Superior something or other.
Oh, we got a little bit down in there.
Yeah.
Some water. All right, y'all. I think this will be pretty good for 8 days. Jeez, we have balcony coming out 3 different ways. How do we get out this way? Something like that. Oh. All right, y'all. If you like what you see, like and subscribe to the Tie-Dye Traveling Guide because we just got here and there are many more adventures yet to come. We're looking to go swimming with whale sharks. We'll go into Puerto Morelos, do some shopping, souvenirs, good stuff. We got some swim up rooms down there, swim up rooms down here. Very nice, very nice. All right, y'all. It's about this time to get this fiesta started. I'm gonna go party with those people down there. Check it out, y'all. Ventus at Marina El Cid, Puerto Morelos, Mexico. 8 days, 7 nights. It's a party, y'all. Stay tuned for more adventures from the Tie-Dye Traveling Guy and Heather for her birthday, June 4th. Have a good day, y'all. Adios, amigos and amigas.